Hi everyone, Joshua TD Stock right here, and together with Filmstock, I'm gonna show you how I've been working with my gaming videos. So I assume you are a gamer and you want to take the next step into content creation, or maybe you want to take the first step into content creation. And I've been using Filmora and Filmstock for over 2 years now, and it have been looking something like this. Filmora and Filmstock have helped me a lot. It has been the easiest, it has been the most effective way for me to take my first step and my next step into content creation. And we're gonna look into one of my gaming videos and how I actually made it. Before we go forward to watch the gaming video that I've done, I just want to talk a little bit about the Filmstock and why I absolutely choose it and why I love it that much as I do. Because to start with, Filmstock is integrated into Wondershare Filmora video editing program, and first of all, it's very easy to navigate. You have just by choosing the effects, you can just write as something as anime and it will find all those effects for you. Now I have already downloaded them into this program. If you want to go directly to Filmstock, instead of just going to a homepage or going around on YouTube looking for some package and green screens and stuff like that and do it all by yourself, you can just find it up here in the little corner with the arrow that is pointing down. If I press it, it would automatically send me over to the Filmstock page, where I can find all the effects, all the videos, all the audio, everything that I need for Wondershare Filmora. And it's also so easy. If I choose, I can just start downloading it, it will download it, and it will also integrate it directly into the program without me even doing any kind of an external installation or start looking for it on my computer. It basically finds everything by its own. So now when I open up this again, now I can write, for example, for the fire, and it would find the fire package and the fire particle package. So it's very, very easy to use, and it has a lot. All Filmstock is filled with effects for you to use. So the gaming video we are looking into today is the gaming video I did for a game called Super People. As I said before, I've been doing gaming for quite some time, and I've been doing content creating for the past 2 years, and I've been working with Wondershare and their Filmstock for doing all my gaming videos. To begin with this video, I wanted to stick out a little bit, so I actually wanted to do something that was kinda I didn't really see in some other videos. I wanted to go into some kind of a style that was more of like effects that I can use into the video, because when you're looking at many shooting videos and gaming videos today, you see mostly a lot of slow motions, you see a lot of color grading, and you see a lot of zoom in and out of every shot. But I wanted to add effects, and that's when Filmstock came in and helped me a lot. So the effects that I used for this specific video was actually something called grunge. So what I did was that I actually just went into search for grunge, and you can see there's a lot of grunge packs here, like more than it was when I was doing this video. Here's, for example, one pack. Download. You can specifically also see in the video that I made that you can see that this is the original pack that I used for this video. So with the grunge pack, I was able to not only just give me a nice title, because what Filmstock also gave me is that they gave me a whole theme of everything. They gave me the possibility to do a title for the video, explaining who I am, what the video is, what songs I use, and it also go in the same theme as my video. goes with the same you see here. So Filmstock gave me a whole package of transitions between all my clips. It gave me the titles and it gave me the effects that so I could use the same team through the whole video. And it also gave me the possibility to do a gaming video that was look a little bit different than the most videos that I've seen. Everyone's been watching this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials here on Filmstock, and also don't forget to download Filmora and start with your content creation today. Thank you so much, see you all next time.